Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast will show you how to add your Sprint Challenge licenses to your CoderZ dashboard. So first you need to log into CoderZ, and on the left side, you're going to click on Licenses, and then you're going to create a new teacher, and you're going to select your country and your region or your state, put in your full name, put in your school email address. Oops. Click continue. I'm going to add a license. Select the license that I want to add, and this is for the Sprint Challenge. I just continue with the prompts and click Add License. Make sure that you have the appropriate amount of seats available. Click Add License. Click Continue. And now your license should be available to you through your CoderZ platform. I hope you found this screencast helpful.